Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today we're diving into something super cool and creative, how to create 3D AI social media ID cards. But that's not all. We'll also show you how to personalize these cards by adding your picture using face swapping technology. So, let's get started.
First, open your browser and type Bing Image Generator in the search bar. Click on the first website that appears. This will take you to the interface. Now, click on Join and Create. Next, I will generate my YouTube ID card. I have already prepared my prompt, so I will simply copy and paste it there. I'll also provide these prompts in the description, so you can modify them according to your YouTube channel name and subscriber count. Now click on Create. In just a few seconds, it will generate 4 YouTube ID cards for us. Let's take a look. If you don't like the designs, you can generate new ones by clicking Create again. I found one that I like, so I will download it. Now, I will copy the prompt for my Instagram ID card and paste it here. Then, I'll click on Create. And once it's generated, I will download it. Tapping your face on the ID card. If you want to swap your face into these cards, here's the next step. Go back to your browser and type Remaker AI. Click the first website that appears. You will see 2 upload windows. In the first, upload the image you generated for your YouTube ID card. In the second, upload your own picture. You can take a photo from the app as well. I selected an image from the app. Now click on Swap. Wow, you can see that the image has been swapped perfectly. Scroll down the page to download the image. Now I will upload my Instagram ID card. And click Swap again. Look at that, the image has been swapped beautifully. Click here to download it.
And there you have it. A stunning 3D AI social media ID card with your personalized picture. Print it, share it online, or even make it a part of your digital portfolio. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn to Earn Minds for more creative content, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. See you next time.